A good video with bad audio is still a bad video. And that's why audio is so important. Now, Sony just sent this over. This is the ECM-M1 microphone. This mic actually connects to the multi-interface shoe on the top of your camera. So that's really awesome because it does deliver power in addition to giving you an area to actually mount the microphone. Now, bear with me. I am using the internal microphone on my Sony A7C Mark II, but you'll see in a second that's about to change once I connect this mic. And you can see this mic is extremely versatile with 8 different modes. So we'll open this up right now and see what all is inside. So we have all the standard literature, and then in this pouch, we have the actual microphone itself. And here it is. We also have this windbreaker for windy situations. But you can see here the 8 different modes. Also right here, we have a button for mono or stereo, which is a nice toggle. So there's an auto or manual mode, and then you can also adjust the levels right there. Based on the type of camera you're using, you can use either digital or analog. We have a bunch of different mics up top here. There's also a digital noise filter. And then this other option called ATT actually supports 4-channel audio. That allows you to record 2 main tracks and then 2 extra omnidirectional tracks. And that comes in handy in case there's unexpected audio spikes. So what I like about this microphone is that it's actually great for both beginners and then also pro users. So if you're a beginner, honestly, this isn't really that expensive, especially if you're spending a lot of money on a camera already. So you'll be able to grow into this. But on the other hand, if you are a pro user, this is a great microphone to use in that situation, just due to all the different features that we're getting. And then this is the part that does connect to the camera itself. And again, what's cool about this mic is that there is no battery in the microphone. It just connects right away to the camera, and the camera supplies the power. So as long as your camera has battery left, the mic is good to go. But let's put the mic on the camera right now and finally give this a try. And here we go, the microphone is now connected. So I'm definitely curious to know what you think of the audio quality, and especially compared to just the standard camera without any external microphone at all. And just to state the obvious, it's a lot better. It's a huge improvement over the internal audio. So again, I appreciate how the box is actually a nice guide here to show you what each individual mode of the 8 modes actually does. I now switched it over to this mode right here, which is a little bit more straight on rather than trying to get everything right in front of the camera and microphone. Now it's been switched over to this mode, which captures the audio behind the camera. I'm now a little bit of a further distance away just for comparison's sake. So now I switched things back to the standard mode, but this time around I switched the audio levels to manual, and then I boosted those audio levels. So I'm curious what difference that makes here. It's at about level 7 right now. And then now it's back on auto for the levels. But I really appreciate the versatility of this microphone because not every content creator is looking for the exact same audio experience. So for example, for myself, I'm like an influencer content creator and I want really loud sound. I want the sound to be super loud, almost like it's coming out of the speakers. And, you know, there's gonna be some clipping here and there, but the point is I want it to be rich, loud audio. That's really the best for grabbing the audience's attention. Now, that might not be the best, on the other hand, for truly studio level audio quality. So fortunately, there's other modes here for that. In comparison, if you're making a more serious video, like a wedding video, you don't want the audio to be exactly the same as a situation like this, where I really want to capture the audience's attention with the audio being extra loud. So if you do end up getting this microphone, I definitely recommend messing around with all the various settings on here, and eventually you're gonna find one that does work for you. But this is the Sony ECM-M1. I have a link to it in the video description, so definitely take a look if you wanna learn more about it. But with all that said, this is Kevin here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.